Readers make connections when they read a story. A connection is that means that we use the experiences that we've had and things that we know about to connect to the characters in the story. In the story Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, the letters are the characters. And in the story, the letters got hurt. So the first thing we need to do is we need to draw a picture of the letters getting hurt. So in the story, the letters were all falling out of the tree. So you might make a picture of the tree. Yours can be better than mine because you guys can probably do a little bit better with a pencil than I can do with the computer mouse. But you're going to draw a picture of the letters all hurt and bruised and crying. So there's my A, B, and my C there on the ground hurt. Okay? In the story, the letters were hurt. Well, I'm going to make a connection between the letters and myself. So I need to think of a time when I got hurt. So for me, I can think of a time when I was riding my bike. And I had learned how to ride my bike a while before, but I was trying to ride my bike without using my handlebars. So my hands were not on the handlebars. Oh, my arm suddenly got crazy long there. And I'm just riding my bike, and I fell. And when I fell, I hurt myself. So that's a time that I got hurt. So what you need to do is draw a picture of the letters being hurt, and then think of a time when you were hurt. If you want to, you can write a sentence at the bottom. I'm just going to write a simple sentence. I got, you can't see my G too well, hurt. Let's skip over here. I don't think I can write on the page reference. Okay. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Go ahead, do your connections writing, and then put your completed work in your reading workshop binder.